Have you ever paused to consider what's lurking in your tap water? It might seem clean, refreshing, and safe, but beneath the surface, a silent threat could be hiding a deadly virus. Today, we're diving under the microscope to uncover this hidden danger. Our tap water undergoes rigorous treatment processes to eliminate harmful contaminants. However, these systems aren't foolproof. Viruses, microscopic entities capable of causing serious diseases, can sometimes slip through. These viruses can originate from various sources, including sewage, agricultural runoff, and even wildlife. Once they contaminate the water supply, they pose a significant risk to public health. One of the most concerning aspects of waterborne viruses is their ability to survive in the environment for extended periods. They can persist in water, sediments, and even on surfaces, making them difficult to eradicate. Furthermore, some viruses are resistant to common water treatment methods, such as chlorination, which is used to disinfect water. This means that even treated water can still harbor infectious agents. Several viruses have been identified as potential threats in tap water. These include noroviruses, which cause gastroenteritis adenoviruses, which can lead to respiratory illnesses and conjunctivitis and hepatitis, a virus which causes liver inflammation. These viruses can cause a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to severe illness and even death, especially in vulnerable populations such as children, the elderly, and individuals with weakened immune systems. How do these viruses enter our water supply? The primary routes of contamination are through sewage, discharge, agricultural runoff, and inadequate sanitation practices. In areas with compromised infrastructure or during extreme weather events, such as heavy rainfall or flooding, the risk of contamination increases. Viruses can also enter the water supply through cross-connections between potable and non-potable water systems, as well as through contamination of groundwater sources. So, what can you do to protect yourself? The first step is to be informed. Stay updated on the water quality reports in your area, and be aware of any advisories or warnings issued by local authorities. You can also take precautions, such as boiling your tap water for at least 1 minute to kill viruses, or using a water filter certified to remove viruses. Consider bottled water as a backup during potential contamination periods. Regularly inspect your plumbing for potential issues like leaks or backflow. Proper sanitation practices, such as washing hands frequently and disposing of waste properly, also play a crucial role. While the risk of contracting a waterborne virus from tap water may seem alarming, it's essential to remember that public health agencies and water treatment facilities work diligently to ensure a safe water supply.